A very good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are active and learning. Let's begin our English class. In our previous class, we have learned at and word family na. So today we will learn an at word family. Okay, come. This fish will help us understand app word family. You know the phonics sounds now? So sing with me. App, k app cap, m app map, no app nap, l app lap, s app sap, t app tap, g app gap. Let's see the words we have made. Cap, map, nap, lap, sap, tap, cap. Awesome! Now it's time for N-word family. We will use this flower to understand it better. Now make words with me. An, k and can, f and fan, m and man, p and pen, v and when, r and ran. Let's recall them. Can, fan, man, pen, van, ran. Now you already know it. You are intelligent. Let's practice. Here we will write N family words and here we will write app family words. Okay? First we will take N family words. C A N, can, k and can, f and fan, p and pen, r and ran, v and van. Next is app family word. K, app, cap, l, app, lap, m, app, map, s, app, sap, t, app, tap. These are a sound word with N and app family words. Open the page number 17 of your English book and read these words of a sound and trace, read and color this picture. Man who takes a nap. Okay? So stay safe and keep learning. Okay? Bye-bye.